Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to recover your TikTok account without password or phone number. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your TikTok account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe to turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your Play Store or your App Store and then search for your TikTok over here. So you have to update your TikTok to the latest version. You need to make sure you are using the latest version of your TikTok application. So just update your TikTok over here. Now once you have updated your TikTok to the latest version, all you want to do is to just open your TikTok. You click on your profile, and once you click on your profile over here, you can see your name. Just click on this arrow and you can see add account. So just click on add account, and once you click on add account, you can see your phone or email. Don't click on any of these, just click on this question mark at the upper right corner. At times it can be at the left, so if you can see it at the left, just click on that. And once you click on that, you can see recover your account. Just click on this option, and once you click on this option over here, you can see it is asking for your TikTok username. So just enter the username of the account you want to recover. So let me use my different account. Now once you have entered the username, just click on next, and once you click on next over here, you can see email. Now this time around, you have to click on email and then enter email to receive your verification code to reset your account password so that you can recover your account. So just enter your email over here, and once you click on that, you can see enter a password. So you can enter any password, but if you can't remember your password, you can see over here forgot password. So just click on forgot password, and once you click on forgot password, so if you don't even remember your password, just click on forgot password over here, and you can see phone number or email. Just click on email over here so that they can send you the code to reset your account password to recover your account. So just click on reset, and once you click on reset, that's it. Now you can see a verification code is sent. So now let me just go ahead and then open my email, and once I open my email, you can see the verification code over here. So now all you want to do is to just copy this verification code over here, 669328. so 669328. so that's it. By entering this, you can just reset your password and then recover your account. So all you want to do is to just reset your password. Freedom. So let me enter a new password, and then once you are done, click on login, and by clicking on login, you can recover, or you can log into your old TikTok account. So with this, you can easily recover your TikTok account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new